Hello, today we will make a test to measure the output of a Hiraga amplifier based on Hiraga 8 watts Le Monstre schematic. This is the little guy over there, and for that we will use a signal generator with 1 kilohertz frequency at the output, an oscilloscope, 8 watts and 8 ohms and 200 watts resistor, a clamp meter, which will see the current through the resistive load. Okay, let's get started. We'll activate the output, as I said, 1 kilohertz, and start rising. 300 millivolts RMS at the input, 400, 500, 6, 7, 800. After 800 millivolts RMS, it will start clipping, as you may see. So it'll go back to 800, and 1 kilohertz. And we will have at the output of the Hiraga 12 volts RMS and 1 amp through the resistive load, 1 amp. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day.